Welcome to Abroad Cube. I'm excited to guide you through the process of how you can receive your Duolingo English Test result in just 24 hours without any additional charges. Yes, it's completely free. It is quite faster than the standard 2 days result. Hit my account button and head straight to the settings. From there, navigate to the sponsor area and add our invite code. After pressing the Add Sponsor button, enter your first name and last name and hit Continue. Now, it's time to check your results options. Click on My Tests and then Buy Now. For now, I'm going to select one test and continue. Here you will get an option to get result within 24 hours without any additional charges.